Den er i gang.
The box. Power supply. We wait for Garmin startup. And then you have the, have to wait a little. So, then you choose the Lopolight button here. Yeah, it has to start up, so give it a minute. Du stop imens. Continue. So there's a give it about 1 minute. Be patient for 1 minute, and then you can choose our menu here. Now it's very simple. We have 2 demonstration lights and a deck light. Port side, starboard side. You press underway, and here we simulate the masthead light and the stern light because we haven't mounted that in the box. But you can see the 2 side lights here. If you choose anchor, also simulated version here, but that automatically turns off the underway combination and vice versa. And choose the deck light here, now set to cold white, white as we call it, and it can be dimmed at the dimming slider here. Warm deck light, as you can see. Red deck light, turn off underway, turn off that one. We can now turn on underway, and then we can simulate an error on the port side light. The switch is a normal toggle switch, so it's supposed to be sitting in the innermost position for the light to work normally. Now I press it so it comes out, and immediately you have an alarm here. Turn off the function, so we can repair the system again. Another feature is that in case you install, it's not necessary, but it's possible. We have 4 different inputs on the control hub. This is coupled now to input number 1, and we have set it up here in the setting up the system, so that will activate the underway button. We should press this, then you can see the underway is on, so I can turn on whatever combination, turn it off here, turn it on again here. It's just a push button. That also means that in case the plotter is turned off, how do I do this? So now it's off, gone, doesn't exist, system is still under power, then I can still operate the system using this manual input, digital input button here. So if I turn it on now and turn on the plotter again, now we have to be patient for a minute, but then it will wake up in the condition that is valid. I showed you the digital input to the box here, where we can. It also has to boot. It isn't ready yet. But no matter what, something doesn't work, there is an emergency switch on option here where we can turn on the individual channels, no matter if this is booted, started, doesn't work, no communication to the plotter. We can still go in here and operate the various channels. It is mentioned here on this sticker, and that is of course also an individual thing for every installation. So we can see here that channel number 3 is starboard. I find switch number 3, which is this one, text says so, and then we can always go in and operate things manually, not being depending on any kind of smart computer stuff.